In this quick tutorial, I will show you how you can change the battery in a Subaru Forester key fob. This particular device was used on Foresters between 2005 and 2013, and inside we'll find one of these CR2025 batteries. It's really easy to open up, just follow along. Right on the top here, we're going to see a little indentation, a little slot in the plastic. Going to take a regular flathead screwdriver, insert it in, and twist. You can see it comes apart super easily. Now we're just going to use the very same tool, and coming in, if this part is facing down, we're going to come in on this top left side here and just get under the battery with the corner of our flathead, and it'll pop out. Now take a brand new CR2032 2032 battery, and when you're putting it back in, make sure this positive side goes face down. Click it in. Take the front part of the device and just set it on top and click it all back together. Really easy. I hope that helped you out, and if it did, you can let me know down in the comment section or just by giving this video a like. And if you ever need help changing another battery for any of your key fobs for any make or model, check out the rest of our videos here on YouTube or visit us at fobbattery.com.